Good morning, everyone. We are on module 4 of chapter 4, carbon and its compounds. What are hydrocarbons? The compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbons. So these are the characteristics of hydrocarbons that determine the properties of other elements, the number of carbon atoms, and how the atoms are arranged. So atoms are arranged basically in three forms: straight chain, branch chain, and ring or cyclic structure. So as I told you in the previous video that hydrocarbon basically are of two types: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon is an organic compound that contain only the element hydrogen and carbon. In a saturated hydrocarbon, all the bonds are single bonded. Alkane is another name for a saturated hydrocarbon and its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. N represents the number of carbon atom. If the number of carbon atom is 1, then we say it is meth. If 2, eth. 3, prop. 4, but. 5, pent. 6, hex. 7, hept. 8, oct. 9, non. And 10, dec. So the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. N is the number of carbon atom. Suppose if in this formula you put the value of N equal to 1, then what will come? Your formula will become CH4. So C, single carbon atom, so meth, and you are talking about alkane. So the suffix ane gets combined at the end of the meth. So the chemical name of this chemical compound is methane. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon that contains one or more double or triple bond is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. There are three types of unsaturated hydrocarbon: alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic hydrocarbon. Alkene and alkyne chains start from the number of carbon atom 2. If the number of carbon atom is 2, then eth is the prefix and ene is the suffix. Same, eth is the prefix and yne is the suffix. The general formula for alkene is CnH2n. CnH2n, and the general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. There are various structure of saturated hydrocarbon given here. So first, number of carbon atom 1. So meth, ane is the suffix, then methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. And if you know the general formula that it's CnH2n plus 2, then you automatically get the formula. And there is a pattern how you can represent your structure. So you just need to complete the valency of each and every element. Thank you.